Hi, welcome to 1st August Monday Markets weekly update. It's been a good week, a good month, so I think we have good things to report. Let's look at the how the factors perform. The qualities had a pretty good, the best of the month so far, and the week rather, not the month. It had a 3.2% week, whereas small caps are lagging behind. Value, market, momentum, all have sort of done well in this week. The monthly one though shows a different picture. That momentum has had a pretty good week, pretty good month. Sorry, uh, along with market beta and value and surprisingly small cap. So let's see how this rally in quality sustains. Let's look at the year-to-date numbers, and we see that quality is doing well year-to-date. It's just that the monthly numbers are a bit of a differs in trend from the monthly number, but weekly and year-to-date quality is doing extremely well. Small caps are the most beaten down relatively. They've recovered fair bit. I think at some point they were down about 28%, now down about 18%. Uh, Momentum is down, still down about 9%, value is down about 5%, and the market is down just 2% year to date. So we're having a pretty good market given the whole macro background and the situation so far. Let's look at the trend. So market is now moved officially into an uptrend. Low volatility had moved into an uptrend last week. None of the other factors have moved into an uptrend as per this definition. But when we go to our factor all weather, we see that there's been some changes there. This is our Factor Investor Substack. If you want to subscribe and get this all in your email every month, just go there and subscribe. Let's see. So what sectors have been driving? So I mean, it's a bit of a conundrum because we see quality has done well, and then we see metal has done the best this week. But we also see that you know pharma has done well, banks have done well, IT has done well, media has done well. So I think that some amount of the quality basket was driven by finance and IT. So FMCG has been flat, auto is surprisingly slightly down, been a strong contender. Let's look at the month. The month again has been led by metals, with banks, up about 12%. FMCG up strongly 10%. So autos done about 7%. So it's been a good month, green all over. Year to date, it's you can see that auto and FMCG are strong leaders. Taking energy is still up there. Metals are just about flat for the year now, and IT is still consistently lagging, even though it had a pretty good rally in the month. Right, the month has been up about 4%, and last week has been up about 3.5%. But after all of that, IT is still down. So we have to be a bit mindful and look at the YTD picture for IT. In terms of sector trends, so now we have 5 sectors in an uptrend. FMCG, finance rather. FMCG was up for the last quite a few weeks. Banks have moved into an uptrend. Finance has moved into an uptrend. Auto has been in an uptrend for a while. Energy for the last 3 weeks has been in an uptrend. So now out of 11 sectors that we track, 5 are in an uptrend and 6 are in a downtrend. So let's see how the rest of the year pans out, because we're getting closer to September, we're getting closer to the end of the year, and that's when quite a few decisions are also taken. Now let's look at the factor all weather, and that's where we see some change. That the quality we've moved from 100% gold allocation to about 33% allocation into one-third allocation to one of our factors, which is quality. So that's a change from last month. So some amount of risk on, about a third of risk on, and two-third risk off. So that's interesting. Let's see if it holds up for the rest of the month, and if next month we get to see a more participation from the other factors as well. But at least one change this month in the factor altogether. So with that, it's a wrap, and thank you for listening to us. The disclaimer: nothing in this video should be construed as investment advice, purely for educational purposes, and please consult an investment advisor before investing. You can follow me on Anish Daily on QED Cap and visit our website on qedcap.com. Thanks a lot, and like, subscribe, and follow our YouTube channel. And see you again next week. Thank you.